you need to prepare the USB cable in order to connect your Motorola Edge 60 Fusion to your computer. You can use the original cable that you can find inside the box as long as you have USB-C port on your computer. If you do not have USB-C port, then you will need to use a different USB cable that allows you to connect your phone to the computer, for example USB-A instead. So you can use not original cable as well. So let me quickly connect the phone to the computer. Once you do that, you should get a notification about there we go. Actually, we have the USB select mode. So in this case, we can simply choose file transfer in order to be able to, of course, to connect with the computer and get your stuff. In case the USB selection is gone, you want to check notifications, because you should be able to find this notification charging this device via USB. So you can tap over here in order to open the selection again. This time it is called USB preferences. And then over here we can enable file transfer. And after that, you should be able to immediately open the phone storage on your computer. For example, on Windows, you should have this Motorola Edge 60 Fusion device. So you can go over here and check the internal storage as well as your SD card if you have it. So you can find all your photos, videos, files, documents, music, etc. every folder. And that's pretty much it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, subscribe.